Hello dear students, welcome to social science class, chapter number 2, latitude and longitude. It's for class 5th and part 7. And today's topic, see here students, exercise part. Okay, so today we are solving the chapter number 2, latitude and longitude exercise. In previous parts, you have completed all chapter. Okay, and today's topic is a exercise. First part is the part A, fill in the blanks. See here students, first fill in the blanks. So I am writing on board here. You also write it. Latitude and longitude. Latitudes and longitudes are also known as see here students, full stop. We know students, latitudes and longitudes are also known as, the answer is here, grid. G-R-I-D. Grid. Okay. This is the first fill in the blanks. And second one, see it here. The 0 degree latitude is the dash. You know students, the 0 degree latitude is the equator. The answer is equator. You know. So you have learnt in previous class spellings, difficult words and pronunciation. Okay. See here. So this is the equator. And next third one, the tropic of dash passes through India. Okay. So the tropic of, two are there, the tropic of Cancer or tropic of Capricorn. But here the tropic of dash passes through the India. So the answer is there here, tropic of Cancer. Okay students. So you also should be right neatly, good handwriting. Okay. Question number 4. The 0 degree longitude. The 0 degree longitude is known as dash. We know students, the 0 degree latitude is the equator and 0 degree latitude is known as meridian. Okay, meridian. The answer is meridian. See students, some 4 questions are there in fill in the blanks. So once again I am explaining these all. Question number 1, latitudes and longitudes are also known as grid. Also known as what? Grid. And question number 2, the 0 degree latitude is the equator. The 0 degree latitude is the equator. And next one is the question number 3, the tropic of Cancer passes through India. The answer is Cancer. So question number 4, the 0 degree longitude is known as meridian. The question number 4 answer is meridian. So listen here students, when you are writing this exercise, so you should be write here, okay, questions. These are the question and these are the answers, okay. So questions should be right here. In fill in the blanks, blue pen, you use it here, blue pen. When you writing fills here, means fill in the blanks here, this answers in black pen, you use it here, black pen. Okay students, understood? Question number A, fill in the blanks, completed here. And next time continuing here, question number B. Okay students, listen here. Now question number 2, it's the B part. Choose the correct answers. Choose the correct answers. Okay students, so question number 1 is there now. Imaginary. Imaginary lines running parallel to the equator. Parallel to the equator are called dash. Some options are there here students. Option A, meridians. Option A, meridians. Option B, latitudes. Option C, axis. And option D, longitudes. Okay students, see here, choose the correct options, means choose the correct answer. Question number 1 is there here. Imaginary lines running parallel to the equator are called, see here, it is the model of the earth, okay, and it is the equator, okay. Some imaginary lines are there running parallel to the equator, means like this, okay. So these are the parallel lines. So parallel lines move towards east to west. So these imaginary lines are parallel to the equator. It is the equator. Okay. So parallel to the equator is called as, so you have learnt in previous class, what are these? So these are latitudes. So the right answer is there here. Option B, latitudes. You should be right here, latitudes. Okay. So when you are writing this question, you write it blue pen, and this answer you should be write black pen. So it is the answer. Once again I am repeating. Question number 1, imaginary lines running parallel to the equator are called latitudes. The option B is the right answer. So here given some options, meridians, so axis, longitudes, okay, but right answer is there here, latitudes, okay. So this is the question number 1 completed here. So next question I am continuing, question number 2. Question number 2 is there now. Longitudes. Longitudes and latitudes. Latitudes form a network. Form a network called dash. Option A, grid. Option B, boxes. Option C, parallels. And option D, squares. Okay, students. Question number 2. Longitudes and latitudes form a network called. See here, students. It is the model of the earth. So it is the equator. So in equator of latitudes are imaginary lines running towards the parallel. Okay. And see here, students. And afterwards, someone imaginary lines. So it passes through North Pole to South Pole. Afterwards, and see here, some lines are there here, vertical lines are there. So these lines are longitudes. These lines are longitudes. See here, students, some horizontal line is a latitudes and some vertical lines are known as longitudes. Question is there, longitudes and latitudes form a network called what? See students, we have learned this. Some they given the options here. Option A, grid. Option B, boxes. Option C, parallels. Option D, squares. So you can see here, students. So we are seeing here when latitudes and longitudes intersect each other. Intersect each other here. See here, we have seen here. What are these? Boxes. Like boxes. Okay. But we not call that boxes. And also, these all have like, these all squares. But squares also not calling this. The right answer is there here, grid. Right answer is there here. These are the grids. Okay. So, these grids are help to us. So, location of places. Means, the right answer is there. Question number 2. Longitudes and latitudes form a network called grid. The right answer is what? Grid. You should be right here. When you are writing this answer, you should be right here. You use it here, black pen. Afterwards, remaining question, when you are writing, you use it, blue pen. Okay, students, understood? Question number 2. Okay. So, next, question number 3. Question number 3 is there now. The prime meridian is a longitude of dash. options are given here. 180 degree, option B 0 degree, option C half degree, option D 4 degree. Okay students, the prime meridian is a longitude of, answer that. Once again I repeating that. See here students, so it is the model of earth. So we need here longitudes. So one line is passes through North Pole to South Pole. It is the meridian. It is the prime meridian. Prime meridian of longitude. Prime meridian of longitude. How much degree this? So some given the options here. 180 degree, 0 degree, half degree, 4 degree. Which is the right answer here students? So right answer is 0 degree. The longitude of 0 degree. Understood students? Okay. Some 3 questions are completed. So once again I repeating these 3 questions. So first question is the imaginary lines parallel, means running parallel to the equator, are called, the answer is latitudes. Question number 2, longitudes and latitudes form a network called grid. The answer is grid. And question number 3, the prime meridian is a longitude of 0 degree. Okay students, I hope so you understood. Choose the correct answers. So part B is completed here. So I am continuing part C. Part C, match the following. Match the following. So you make it 2 parts here, A and B. Okay. In A part, some questions are there here. See here students. Arctic circle. Second question, prime meridian. Prime meridian, Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Cancer, equator, and fifth one, Tropic of Capricorn, Tropic of Capricorn. Okay. And B side, some answers are there here. Okay, see here students, 23 degrees. So I am taking some distance here. Okay, then you understanding neatly there. B part, C here. A part, B, C, D and E. So first answer is there here. So means A option is A. 23 and half. Yes, latitude. And B 23 and half degree. N latitude. And C 66 half degree. N latitude. 0 degree latitude and 0 degree longitude. Okay students, See the answer now. I am explaining now answer. Some A part questions are there here. Arctic Circle, Prime Meridian, Tropic of Cancer, Equator, Tropic of Capricorn. This is the A parts. And B part, see here students. 23.5 degree yes latitude. Yes latitude means what? South. South latitude. B 23.5 degree N latitude. N means what? North latitude. C 66.5 degree N means north latitude. D 0 degree latitude. And E 0 degree longitude. Okay, see here students. Arctic Circle. We know students here. See here. So it is the equator. Equator is 0 degree. And afterwards, Arctic Circle, it's located North Pole. And Prime Meridian is also there here. Prime Meridian is also 0 degree. 0 degree longitude. And Tropic of Cancer, it's located Northern Hemisphere. And Tropic of Capricorn, it's located Southern Hemisphere. But how much degrees are there? See here students. So Arctic Circle, so it's located here 66.5 N latitude. Okay. And Prime Meridian is 0 degree longitude. And Tropic of Cancer, it is 23. Okay, it's a 23.5 degree north latitude. And Equator is 0 degree latitude. And Tropic of Capricorn, 23.5 degree south latitudes. Okay. Now see here answers. Arctic Circle 66.5 degree N latitude means north latitude. And Prime Meridian, it is the 0 degree but it's a longitude. 0 degree longitude. And next, Tropic of Cancer, it is the 23.5 degree north latitude. And Equator, it is 0 degree latitude. Okay. And afterwards, Tropic of Capricorn, 23.5 degree south latitude. Okay students, in today's topic, exercise part A, fill in the blanks, part B, choose the correct answers, and part C, match the following. So today's topic completed here. You should be right and neat handwriting. You should be right and send it my WhatsApp number. Otherwise, so if yours handwriting is not good means again you should be right, rewrite that. Okay students, so I hope today's class understood and next class I am continuing in next part. Thank you.